welcome aboard.
Thank you very much.
Of the first Comlux Airbus 320, which was produced in Indianapolis. It's a complete 100% made in Comlux airplane. Means that not only we sold the plane, but we actually designed it, we engineered it, and we produced it in Indianapolis, where we have a fully integrated production line. Means that we are doing actually everything you see in this plane is done by us in Indianapolis. So I would like to take the opportunity and walk you through the cabin a little bit, and then if you have any questions or you want to take pictures whatsoever, you tell me. So we are, when you enter the plane, you enter into the lounge, the forward lounge of the airplane. We specifically choose very warm colors. I believe something you can see as well on your end. And it's usually the place where the VIP spends most of his time with his guests or business partners whatsoever, yeah. And then as we walk through the cabin, this is a big dining table, yeah, with I believe it's a 1, 2, 3, 4 for 8 people, yeah, maximum. 7 people, 3 on the divan is actually enough. This divan, the table goes down, the divan slouches out, you can comfortably sleep on that divan. Obviously there are all kinds of entertainment systems, you know, very nice surrounding system, very good quality. We have the choice of 11 different DVDs that can play at the same time in different zones. One exclusive thing that we have on this plane is the GSM, yeah, so you can actually with your mobile, I just tested it now on the way from Toulouse here, you can normally operate this phone. It's excellent, and we have a Wi-Fi on board as well, so you can download your emails. So unfortunately, times where you had your piece on the plane are over. Yeah, usually when the door of the plane closes, you said, okay, now nobody can reach me anymore. So as we walk in here, this is the private room of the VIP. We have this L-shaped divan. What we can do for sleeping, we can burst that part of the divan out, and we have a special mattress to put on top. And then it turns out in a very nice king-size bed. So this is usually for rest, yeah. And this. Then this is the private lavatory. You see, we have a sink, we have a shower, of course. Then we have a real shower in here, yeah. You can come in. You see, please, this. So that's a real well functioning shower. So then as we continue to walk in the back, we have the guest lavatory here. Here we have 12 business class seating arrangement for guests or family members or whatever the mission is. And then here in the back there is also some economy seating arrangement, depending if you transport governments or so. Sometimes they take journalists or helpers or I don't know, whatever sort of people. And then there is the working area, the galley in the aft. And then here you have also a lavatory, which is done in the same style, just a bit smaller.
Very happy that it came out like it is now. Of course, it's always a little risk if you sketch something on paper and you see maybe something on the computer with a rendering, but the final product is always something different. So I'm very happy that the ideas I had is really here inside in the cabin. And well, we started with the idea, where is the aircraft flying, and the aim is that it's going to Middle East. And we thought, okay, what are the colors of the Middle East, what are the themes in Middle East, and we found out, well, it's a lot of sand, it's ocean, it's very warm atmosphere on that side, and that was the initial idea, to use colors with blue and beige colors to give the impression to the customer who's going to fly with this aircraft that he feels home and cozy. And that's why we have, for example, here if we are sitting in the private lounge, the dune theme on the floor, going into the bathroom with the ocean theme, and as well as the colors in the dining room, for example, where we combine sand colors with this nice blue ocean colors, and that helped us to have a very fresh feeling inside the cabin. It's not only brown and beige, but it's also some new colors we never had before in maybe our aircraft. So it's, from my opinion, it's on the one side very warm atmosphere, but on the other side not boring, as it is maybe too much beige and browns. It's, you always find something with your eyes which gives you some new impressions. That's something I like very much here.
And could you tell us, how do you like to fly this airplane?
I do love to fly that airplane. Now, all the Airbus family is really very nice to fly, and yeah, it's always very pleasant for us to fly a new plane, and even more that one, because that's really the plane made by the company from the beginning till the end, from the purchase, the completion, and now the operation. So we feel very proud of it.
It's one of the first A320s that will be available for charter, so it's an aircraft that we'll be able to show our customers, and that will represent the whole Comlux ACJ family. So we're very proud to see this addition to the charter family of Airbus corporate jets.